Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get subtitles on Pluto TV. If you want to turn on or enable the subtitle option on Pluto TV and enjoy the movie or TV shows, then here is a straightforward process. Open a web browser and type in pluto.tv into your search box and search. Also make sure to log into your account by entering your email and password. After you are signed into the account, go ahead and search for a TV show or movies using the search box at the top, or pick one of the movies or TV shows from the list at the bottom and click on it to play it on. Now go ahead and click on the watch option on the bottom left hand side of the screen. Continue playing the movie or a TV show, and then once it starts playing, go ahead and select a movie or a TV show and click on Watch Now to start playing it. After you've started playing the movie, go ahead and click on this audio and subtitles icon right next to the sound icon at the bottom left of your player. Soon after you click on that, you should be able to see a pop-up menu. To enable subtitles, click on the Captions On button right under Subtitles. Make sure that you've selected the Caption On option, and then you can click on the cross to get back to the movie. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see the subtitles enabled in the movie. That is how you can easily enable or get subtitles on Pluto TV. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.